welcome to episode 20, Motivate Me Rahul. And as you've guessed, I'm Rahul. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a method by which you can make a faster decision in any sphere of your life today, now. So here goes. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody who's watching, in life, it is extremely important to take a decision because it is our decisions which define us. However, we will always notice that there are some people who make decisions faster than most people. So, how do they do it? And the answer is that they have a method. Today, I'm going to introduce you to just a single method, which is 5 steps. And I'm sure that if you follow these 5 steps, you're going to notice that you've started making decisions faster and better. So here goes. Step 1. You know what you want to buy. You know what you're on the lookout for. You know which project or product you want, which item you want. So you imagine yourself, you go into a store, you want to buy a soup, a recipe, something, okay? And you stand in front of all the choices in front of you. Too many choices. Step number 1, reduce the choices. Reduce those choices. How do you do that? Out of the 10, 15 similar items, select 5 or 6 items which you feel are appropriate. That's all. You don't have to look at every item, 15 items or 20 items. 15, 20 items, have a walk down the aisle, just choose 5 or 6 similar products. That's it. All you have to do that. You've done that. Okay. Second, of the 5 or 6 items that you've selected of the same product, identify clearly which product costs the most. Here we're coming into how much you need to buy. So the highest priced item of that product, you're going to identify that. You know why you're going to identify that? Because that is going to set a boundary for you. So you're going to come to know, so if I want to buy this item, this is how much it can cost at its maximum. You can similarly do it for the lower end as well. You can say, okay, the least that I need to spend to get this item of this product, that's it. So you have a higher item, you have a higher segment, you have a lower segment, and you've identified. And that should be 5 or 6. You have to make quick decisions, right? Third, very important, decide for yourself, and that is financial decision. How much are you willing to spend for that product? Okay? And how much of a benefit is that money going to make to you? I always say this, money saved is money earned. There are lots of similar products in the market. You decide how much money you are willing to spend on that product. Okay? You know it. So, take a choice. And you may in this part also decide, in whichever way, how long that product should last, how long you would like to own the product. So what is the cost benefit of the product? So you have about 5, 6 items, you decide, okay, cost product, that's how much it's going to cost. It should last me that long, so that should be it. Now, by the third step, and this is the truth, and be truthful to yourself, you already have a fair idea of what exactly you want. But let's put in a little bit of a break. So what you do is, you take out the product, okay? Have a feel around, look around, and you decide. Step 4 is very important. Trust your instinct. Believe me, by this time, the third step is over. The fourth step is just trust your instinct. And I'm sure you'll pick out the right product which you feel is appropriate and which costs right and which has the most benefit for you on the amount of money that you're spending. Very important. And now, step 5. Buy the product, buy the item, make a decision. I know I've met a lot of people who advise others that not making a decision is also a decision. Absolutely not true. You should make a decision. Then why did you come out of your house? Why have you spent the time to come out and have a look at all the items? You must make a decision. You must make a choice. So there you have it. If you employ these just simple 5 methods, you're going to notice that you're making your decisions much faster and better. So go ahead, try it out. And in the end, as this video is ending, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and let me know what you think about it. So here goes. This was it. I'll see you soon. All the very best, and thank you very much for your time.